ജനുവരി 30 നടക്കുന്ന PSC പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് മുമ്പായി നമ്മൾ ഒരു മോഡൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ നോക്കുകയാണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, the type of pelvis more suitable for child bearing is? Options: A, an oval brim. Option B, a round brim. Option C, a heart-shaped brim. Option D, a kidney-shaped brim. A right answer is a round brim. Second question, treatment of threatened abortion is? Options: A, evacuation. Option B, dilatation and curettage. Option C, complete bed rest. Option C, antenatal exercise. The right answer is complete bed rest. The ability of the body to recognize, destroy and eliminate antigenic material. Option A, immunity. Option B, resistance. Option C, insecticide. Option D, notification. Right answer is immunity. Next question, the following diseases are vaccine preventable except? Option A, poliomyelitis. Option B, diphtheria. Option C, malaria. Option D, tetanus. The right answer is malaria. Dash is the process of sterilization of articles by steam under pressure using an apparatus. Option A, autoclaving. Option B, cooking. Option C, boiling. Option D, fumigation. The right answer is autoclaving. Autoclaving. Night blindness is a deficiency of? Option A, vitamin B. Option B, vitamin A. Option C, vitamin B12. Option D, iron. Right answer is vitamin A. The permanent method of family welfare program for males. Option A, tubectomy. Option B, Copperty. Option C, vasectomy. Option C, vasectomy. Option D, Nirodh. The right answer is vasectomy. Postpartum period. After birth to 4 weeks, birth to 8 weeks, birth to 6 weeks. Option D, birth to 10 weeks. The right answer is birth to 6 weeks. APH means? Option A, anterior pituitary hormone. Option B, abruptioplacental hemorrhage. Option D, adrenoposterior hyperplasia. Option D, antepartum hemorrhage. The right answer is antepartum hemorrhage. The drug that inhibits cough reflex is termed as option A antitussives, option B antihistamines, option C sulfonamide, option D expectorant. The right answer is antitussives. Vaginal examination is carried out in a primi gravida to determine the pelvis size and shape at option A 34 to 36 weeks, option B 38 weeks, option C 40 weeks, option D 28 to 30 weeks. The right answer is 38 weeks. A commonest combination of teen pregnancy. Options A vertex with breech, option B breech with breech, option C breech with vertex, option D vertex with vertex. The right answer is vertex with vertex. The breathing is forced and there is high sound is known as option A rails, option B grunting, option C stridor, option D stertorous. The right answer is stridor. Mode of transmission of tetanus. Option A through the wound, option B fecal-oral, option C droplet infection, option D parenteral. The right answer is through wound. The first sign of pregnancy. Option A morning sickness, option B frequent menstruation, option C amenorrhea, option D fever. The right answer is amenorrhea. Was 1 gram of fat gives option A 3 calories, option B 9 calories, option C 4 calories, option D 26 calories. The right answer is 4 calories. Sleeplessness. Option A insomnia, option B dementia, option C anemia, option D anuria. The right answer is insomnia. W World Health Day. World Health Day. Options A December 17, option A November 14, option C April 7, option D January 26. The right answer is April 7. The care of the woman during pregnancy is option A antenatal, option B intranatal care, option C postnatal care, option C puerperal care. The right answer is antenatal care. Fertilization of ovum normally takes place in the options A corpus luteum, option B ambula, option C fimbriac, Option D, interstitial part. The right answer is ampulla. The rhythm of the pulse is option A, spacing of the beats, option B, number of beats, option B, strength, option D, pounding beats. The right answer is spacing of the beats. Spacing of the beats. Bradycardia is options A, increased pulse rate, option B, slow pulse rate, option C, low blood pressure, option D, high blood pressure. The right answer is slow pulse rate. Dash is the best natural food for the baby. Option A, breast milk, option B, cow's milk, option C, ragi, option D, lactogen. The right answer is breast milk. Important signs and symptoms of pre-eclamptic toxemia are option A, high BP, proteinuria, edema. Option B, high BP, proteinuria, convulsion. Option C, low BP, edema. Option D, low BP, hyperlipidemia. The right answer is high BP, proteinuria, edema. High BP, proteinuria, and edema. The continuous bleeding immediately after birth of the baby is due to option A, atonic uterus, option B, injury to the birth canal, option D, retained products, option D, adherent placenta. The right answer is atonic uterus. Length of the uterine tube is option A, 5 cm, option B, 10 cm, option C, 15 cm, option D, 20 cm. The right answer is 10 cm. The entry, development and multiplication of a disease producing agent in the body of man or animal is called option A, endemic, option B, pandemic, option C, infection, option D, zoonosis. The right answer is infection. Dash is a latest sexually transmitted disease. Option A, leprosy, option B, AIDS, option C, TB, option D, cancer. The right answer is AIDS. Asepsis means option A, absence of pathogenic organism, option B, prevents growth and multiplication of organism, option C, presence of pathogens, option D, destroying the pathogenic organism. The right answer is absence of pathogenic organism. Absence of pathogenic organism. Post maturity means pregnancy continue. Option A, 1 month beyond term. Option B, 7 days beyond term. Option C, 14 days beyond term. Option D, beyond 4 weeks. The right answer is 14 days beyond term. 14 days beyond term.
താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്. PSC നേഴ്സിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോകൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നവർ ഈ ചാനൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയും നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുകയും ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ കാണുന്നവർ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ഫ്രണ്ട്സിന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുക. ധാരാളം വീഡിയോസ് PSC നേഴ്സ് എന്ന ഈ ചാനൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നു. വീഡിയോസ് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കാണാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. അത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഓർമ്മയെ കൂടുതൽ ശക്തിപ്പെടുത്തും. നന്നായി പഠിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങൾ വിജയാശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.